Do you want to be able to apply for every delivery driver job? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into Google, and you can do this either on your computer or on your mobile, just so you know. So just go into Google and search for every delivery driver, as you can see. So just search for this right here, and then you're going to just basically click on this first result right here, as you can see, where it says every self-employed courier jobs. So just click on it. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, you're just going to be able to basically view the most basic information about working for Evri and being like a delivery driver or a courier for them. And this is very good to know, by the way, these three things right here. So you need three things to be able to actually apply. The first one is that you need to have basically an iPhone or an Android smartphone, as you can see. The second is that you need to be able to have uh, proof of right to work self-employed in the United Kingdom, just so you know. And number three, obviously, you need access to a car or van with license and insurance. So if you apply, or if you have all of these three things right here, you will be able to apply. But if you're missing any of those right here, obviously if you're missing like a smartphone or an iPhone, this is very easy to fix. But for example, if you're missing any of those two right here, then it's a bit harder. If you're missing anything right here, you cannot apply, unfortunately. Or you can apply, but you will not be able to be selected, just so you know. But if you feel like everything is okay, you actually have all of these three things right here. That is perfect. We can scroll all the way up in here, and then we can just click on join us right here. So the first step is going to be for you to enter your email address in here, and when you have done so, you can click on get started. After that, you will come to a page where you need to fill a little bit more about yourself, and you will also need to obviously prove that you have those things that we talked about before. And if everything is okay, then you will need to just basically apply for the job, and hopefully they will be able to get back to you fast. And I hope that you will be able to get the job if this is something that you want to be able to get, obviously. And this is exactly how to apply for every delivery jobs.